Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today now, Monday, July 28, 2025, at Parrot, Mr. Albarder house. And today's finished work now. I just installed here in the deck floor, in this room area. I installed 4 double lights and also 2 single here, and also here in the hallway I installed a single, then 2 double. Also here in the first floor I also already installed the recent remaining balance that not installed, but now I already fixed and already move aside the parings that block in the hole. Also in there in the stair I already installed the lights, this one. Also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stair lights here in ground floor. Also here and outside I already installed lights here, but first this hole I just wiring, because recently don't have a wire that drop, so I just laid a wire. There's a 5 here in the side, and also here 2 here on the side. And that's for today now. Thank you and have a nice day.